Good morning. I'm so glad you guys could join me. Let's get a cup of coffee. So it's time for a little coffee station action. After I get up in the morning, that's the first thing I got to do. Here's my little coffee station. And my little wall that I recently updated. And my hot cocoa station. And Steve's sweet. He makes the coffee always the night before so that it's ready for us when we get up in the morning. We enjoy sitting around and just maybe not even saying a thing and drinking some coffee every morning. So my husband has gone to work out and it's time for a quiet little breakfast while the puppies are napping. Here's the view from my table as I'm eating my breakfast this morning. Gorgeous day, love it. Here's my front yard. Yes, we live in the woods and we have lots of different critters around here. This was a pretty day today. The sun was out. Still cold out though because it is winter. Come on in the house, y'all, and I'll show you around a little bit. The porch is looking a little scraggly because it's winter, and you might notice that everything's not perfect in this house. Yes, we live here. Things get messed up. Things have to get fixed. You know how it is. So here is the living room and the kitchen and the entry. It's all one big room, which I really like. We bought those couches for our retirement because they're reclining couches and you can take a good nap in them. So there is my chair that I like to sit in with my pups. And TV. And the kitchen and the dining area. I really like my kitchen with the island in it. I've got some plans for the cabinets, though. I'm going to be trying to paint those pretty soon. And this is me rocking the pups. Lily laid on top of Gertie, and they were snoozing away. They're getting pretty old now. We think Gertie is probably about 14. She was a rescue, so we're not sure. Lily we've had since she was a pup, so she's 10. And they are sweet little weenie dogs. And if you never had a weenie dog, oh, they are a mess. We had one other one, and his name was Ringo. We had him for 19 years, and he was our little love. So we had 3 weenies at one time. But Ringo was different than these 2 girls. He knew absolutely no fear, and he thought that he was the biggest dog in the world. And he would go after dogs that were 3 times his size. It was funny. He loved to chase the rabbits, and they would taunt him in the backyard when we had a fence in our backyard and he could just run free. But we miss him a lot. So the wieners are important to Steve and I. So I walk in and I see this bone between the cushions, right where Lily left it, ready for her to come back and enjoy. right, so I'm going to take a little trip into the closest town. It's about an hour drive. And just to let you know, as far as daily routine goes, I take a shower every morning. I put makeup on. I do my hair every day. So I'm in the car, and I just wanted to elaborate a little bit about what I was saying a little bit before, and that is that I get up, once I had some coffee, have some breakfast, listen to a little bit of the news, snuggle with the pups, talk to Steve. Then mid-morning or so, if I'm not cleaning, usually I don't take a shower before I'm cleaning, but then mid-morning I'll take a shower, I do my hair, I do my makeup. I'm not wearing anything fancy, but I get dressed. And I do that for me. I don't do that for anybody else. I don't do that for my husband. I don't do that because I'm going anywhere that day, because a lot of times I'm just at home. I do that to make myself feel good, and that's really the only reason. So if you're not one of those people that gets up and gets ready, it really will make a difference in your outlook for the day. So I encourage you to do that if you don't do that. We are going to take a little trip. We've got about an hour's drive to the closest town that has good places to shop. So I am looking for a purse, but I don't want to pay a whole lot for it, and maybe some very cheap Valentine's decor. I told myself I was not going to decorate for Valentine's, but it's so cute that I feel like if I can find something that's a real deal, I'm going to go ahead and jump on it. So I will check back in with you guys in just a little while. So today, as I was driving on the radio, the George Harrison song, All Things Must Pass, came on. And if you've never listened to that song, wow, it's just really amazing. I've heard it so many times, but it just continues to just really touch my heart and my soul. So All Things Must Pass by George Harrison. Check it out. Okay, now, I just had a senior moment. I never go anywhere without my earrings and my wedding rings. So I just looked at my hand. I have no wedding ring on. I have no necklace on. I have no earrings on. But hey, maybe that's an excuse for me to get some new earrings, huh? I think so. I don't know if you can see this on the video, but the trees are covered in ice. We have a lot of low-hanging fog, and when it freezes, the trees are then covered with ice. It is, excuse the dumpster, not very beautiful, but the trees are just sparkling in the sun today. So pretty. Something else I was thinking about is that backup cameras. Backup cameras rock. Now, if your car doesn't have a backup camera, I'm telling you what, girl, you are missing out, because for years and years and years, I didn't have a backup camera. And I was always so cautious because I never wanted to run into something. But now that I've got one, I don't think I could live without it. So anyway, backup cameras are a good thing. My husband is so funny. I said, I think I'm gonna go shopping today. And he was like, okay, just be careful. And he will not ride in the car with me. Now, I know my kids and my husband have both told me I'm not the greatest driver in the world. I go too slow, I'm too cautious. I don't know what it is. Anyway, this is a girl that has never had a wreck, ever, in all my years of driving. So, anyway, but I'm driving by myself, so I don't have anybody to criticize me. But they do not like to ride with me, and I guess maybe I'm scary when I'm driving. I don't know, but I get where I need to go, so here we go. Okay, so I'm back from shopping, and I didn't get a whole lot of stuff, just a couple of things. So here is my haul. I got a couple of things from TJ Maxx, and this is a cute little shirt. It's got a cute little detail on the sleeve. That one was $20, $19.99. And then this doesn't look as cute off as it did on. It's just a plain little shirt, but it was cute on. And that one, it was also $19.99. And then I got a cute little book for notes with a little pin I can stick in my purse. Didn't find a purse. Almost got a purse. It was pink and I really liked it, but I don't know. Purses at TJ Maxx, they don't last me very long. That last purse I got was from TJ Maxx, so I think I'm just gonna, I can get something cheaper and a little bit better quality on Amazon, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then I went to the Hobby Lobby store, and I got this cute little thing, says "Let It Be." And this is the extent of my Valentine decorations. These are some buffalo check hearts. I just didn't see anything that I loved. And then I bought this little, I don't know if this is seagrass placemat. I'm gonna put it on the end table next to where Steve and I sit in the living room, because we're always putting coffee cups and stuff like that on it. So I thought that would be cute. And let's see, this was not on sale. No, this was on sale. It was like $7.99. And I think these were 40% off. So that was, let's see, "Let It Be, Let It Be." And I'm a big Beatles fan, so you know, when I see something that says "Let It Be," I'm all over it. This was $3.59, and that was $3.59. So got out of the house for a little while. That was pretty awesome. Just have to drive so far to get to civilization. That's the only drawback. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna be making some dinner later on, and we're gonna do some bacon pasta, and I'll show you how to make it. Here is the yummy bacon pasta. First, you're gonna cut up some bacon and you're gonna fry it up in the pan. And here I am a-cutting. Then you are going to chop some onion, and then you're gonna, once the bacon has gotten almost completely done, then you're gonna put the onion in with the bacon and the bacon grease. Let that cook until the onion is translucent. Now I'm adding 1 can of diced tomatoes, juice and all, and I'm showing you that I had to make some chicken stock. I didn't have any chicken stock. You would add, about a can or so of chicken stock if you had it. But since I didn't, I made some with some hot water and some chicken bouillon cubes, and that worked just as well. You see, I've then added the pasta and a fair amount of pepper. And then a little touch of salt. And then after I've done that, I'm going to be adding another cup of water. You want the water to be over, just barely over where the pasta is in the pot, and I stirred it up a little bit. And then you're just going to simmer that. It'll probably take about 20 minutes or so, maybe 30. But the pasta is going to absorb all of that liquid, and it's going to be really yummy. And you'll know that it's done because there won't really be much liquid. It's just kind of going to turn into a little tomatoey sauce. I put some French bread in the air fryer and toasted it up with a little butter on it. And I also put together a little salad to go with it. So, didn't have a whole lot of good salad stuff, but we made do with what we had. And it was pretty good. My daughter always requests that I make this for her, my youngest daughter, anytime she visits or I visit her, and she has learned to make it herself. So I got this recipe years ago, and I think I just got it off the internet, maybe Pinterest, I don't remember. But it's a real quick and easy, fast dinner. It doesn't take a lot of time. And I know when I was a working mom before I retired that I was all about cooking it fast and getting some dinner on the table, because that was important for us to eat together, but still I didn't have time to be cooking big old dinners every night, which I did not do. I did most of my cooking on the weekend. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll make this recipe. It's easy and yummy. And I was finishing up on it there. I am so glad that you guys are watching my videos. I wasn't sure about doing this YouTube thing, but it's been a lot of fun and I've enjoyed it. So keep watching, and if you like it, please click the like. And if you want to subscribe, I'd love to have you come back again. And Steve and I had a good dinner tonight with this. So I hope that you are having a wonderful day and you enjoyed my video. And take care, and I will see you soon.